إله العالمين الذي قيل في شانه وما أرسلناك إلا رحمة للعالمين أعني أبي القاسم محمد
اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد
والصلاة والسلام على أهله الطيبين الطاهرين المعصومين المنتجبين ولعنة الله على أعدائهم أجمعين. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وما أرسلناك إلا رحمة للعالمين. صلوات.
اللهم صل على محمد وآل محمد.
Alhamdulillah, we have all gathered here today to remember together the birth of the last prophet of Allah, Khatamul Anbiya, Tajdar Medina, Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa.
Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ali Muhammad.
No matter what religion we belong to, no matter what group we belong to, no matter which sect we say that we belong to, every single person who is in this world, he has a purpose in life. And that purpose that he has in life can be split into two parts. Every single person who is part of a group, who is with a religion, who believes in Allah or believes in God, his purpose is that he wants to find that inner peace which the Lord gave him when he came in this world. So every single person is looking for inner peace. And when we were born into this world, every single person, he did not belong to a religion. He wasn't specified that he belongs to this sect. When he came into this world and when he opened his eyes, the only thing that he was known as, that he was a human and he was not an animal. So the first thing, the first category a person is put into when he comes into this world, he is known as a human. And this search of inner peace begins from the moment he starts to understand what this world is. And if a person attaches himself to the world, then the inner peace that he had when he was born, this inner peace that he had when he was younger, this inner peace slowly starts to move away from him. Because instead of attaching himself to the truth, he is moving towards the world. And we find that when Allah sent any prophet, from Hazrat Adam alayhi salatu wasalam to Hazrat Isa alayhi salatu wasalam, every single prophet that Allah sent to this world, his purpose was to move us more closer to the Lord. His purpose was to move us away from this temporary world and to move us closer to the Creator. Why? Because every single prophet that came, his purpose was that we find that inner peace that Allah gave us when He sent us to this world. And every single person, when he started to indulge in this temporary world, he started to move away from that peace. And every single prophet, he was a mercy, he was a blessing, he was a rahmat for the people of their time. And as soon as that Prophet left this temporary world and returned to his Lord, his mercy, his rahmat ended with him. So we believe